Hi, it's me. Hello, it's weekend and I'm alive. And it's time for tag video, tarantula tag. Almost everybody did it already. I think I'm the last one who will do it. So let's get into it. I have my questions, my coffee. The first question is, what got you into tarantulas? Well, the interest, I didn't want to have dog again. I didn't want to have cat again, birds or anything else. I just want to have something easy to care for, interesting to look at, and fascinating, and tarantulas actually are. So the answer to the question is that I'm more interested into insects, arachnids than reptiles. Question number 2. 3 months ago, just before Christmas, me and my boyfriend went to reptile shop, and I got a tarantula. I will link the video down below or put it somewhere here if I know how to do it, but down below for sure. So my first tarantula was Aphonopelma seemanni female, and there is a video also link down below, the setup of this enclosure. And I know everybody says that they like to dig, and I've talked to Tom and all that jazz, I know, but for somehow she can dig, she still can dig, not the burrow herself, but she still can dig, but she doesn't do it. She's more out than in her hide. So I don't know if she's maybe different, kind of crazy like me, or if she just, I don't know, she can dig, but she is not digging. Third question is my favorite species. Since I got my first tarantula from like 3 months ago, so I don't have any favorite species. My dream tarantula, yes, and my dream tarantula will be I think T. blondie or Goliath tarantula. They are so huge, like hamsters or something, guinea pigs, or oh, they are so lovely.
Extra fascinating. They look amazing. And they're huge.
Question number 5. How many do you own? Well, I do own Chromatopelma cyaneopubescens. I got it from my colleague at work as a Christmas gift. Aphonopelma seemanni, female. I have a Chromatopelma pulchripes, and I think it just molted, and I think it's a male. I have a Chromatopelma rosea, unknown gender. Yet it's very tiny, slim. And I do have, I think it's old world. It's a C. marshalli. I'm not even trying to pronounce the name because I know I will it up. And this is what I have. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tarantulas. I will introduce a tea, and no, I will not introduce my tea another time. I will introduce her today, and this is Zoe, freshly when she came from the reptile shop, and she's discovering her enclosure. As you can see, she can dig under the burrow and the hide, but she's never doing that, and she's always on top. We'll feed a tea another time because few of them molted and they are not hungry yet or can't eat yet. So, my favorite YouTube channel. Well, I've been on YouTube since it began, and I do have lots of favorite YouTube channels. Regarding to tarantula YouTube channels, I do like a lot of channels, but my first channel I started to watch was The Dark Den, Marilyn Moore, I think. I love to watch her too. And there is many others, but this is what I really remember because I really watch their channel. Do you own any other exotic pets? Yes, I do. I do have a frog, milk frog. I do have Epibolus pulchripes, female and male, it's millipedes, a pair, and I do have a giant African snails. What do we have next? Answer the tag question from whoever tagged you. Oh, I think I tagged myself from the Facebook group, so I didn't get any question. But I really want to do the tag, since my channel is about plants, vlog, and tarantulas.
So I'm guessing nobody's watching. Anyway.
Tag the next up and asks them specific question. Well, many of you already did the tag, so I just want to say thank you so much to all of you. Make me welcome to the group, and I really love it. I love to be there, and I see you soon. Bye.
Or not really. So I also been on the garden show. We just had a garden show for 4 days, and I have tiny bit of footage and few pictures. And I got what did I got? Oh, I got voodoo lily, and they say it smells really bad. But I want to see it flower. So I got this. What did I get more? Oh, and the olive tree. It was really cheap. It was huge, but it was half off of the half off because they were closing. They want to just get rid of everything and you know how it is. So yeah, and I'm loving it. So here's the footage. Bye.